𝙐-𝙇𝙄 Furniture was established in 2006, and since then, strong furniture design and meticulous attention to quality control is what makes us stand out. Now, we are one of the leading indoor furniture manufacturers and designers in north of China. With a solid 14 years of experience in furniture export business, we have established lasting business relations with hundreds of clients all over the world and are shipping out thousands of containers per year. We offer clients one-step services of dining room and living room furniture, among which are dining sets, sofas, coffee tables, TV stands, computer desks, bookshelves, and cabinets. 𝙐-𝙀 owns strong manufacturing plants and advanced machinery. We count with automatic laser cutting machine, automatic pipe bending machine, automatic pipe shrinking machine, and 12 high-efficient robotic welding arms, which are used to make sure that the metal parts are manufactured in high efficiency and in impeccable quality. Additionally, we have 2 fully automated cloth cutting machines and 1 programmable computerized sewing machine used to increase capacity and generate a higher efficiency of the upholstery procedures. Our investment in machinery saves manufacturing time, increases production efficiency, and reduces costs in a long run, which leads to a better price, shorter lead time, and excellent quality. Furthermore, 𝙐-𝙀 counts with an experienced team that makes upholstery in impeccable shape and exquisite look, especially when it comes to the leisure chairs and sofas. 𝙐-𝙀 also has professional panel furniture workshops with advanced production and assembly line, automatic equipment, and effective management to supply high-quality tables, coffee tables, TV stands, cabinets, and bookshelves to our clients. 𝙐-𝙀 has invested in creation of the quality control department. Now we keep a close watch on manufacturing process to ensure the quality of our products. We carry out raw material inspection, then an inspection in mid-production of semi-finished goods. And once the goods are ready and packed, we will arrange the AQL quality check. Our professional and experienced QC team will issue a detailed QC report that, within 24 hours, will be sent to the clients for confirmation. What's more, apart from the internal quality control, 𝙐-𝙀 can proudly say that we have successfully passed third-party, like SGS, BV, TUV testing, and BSCI, SMETA factory social audits, among others. 𝙐-𝙀 gets very creative when it comes to developing new designs, and we have our own designing team with domestic and international designers who keep refreshing their knowledge of the fashion trends. Every year, 𝙐-𝙀 launches at least 60 new models and registers them with EU IPO as registered community designs. We also give a very strong technical support to clients. Our design team skillfully uses 3D Max software to create professional and high-resolution 3D interior design pictures, which not only help to imagine how 𝙐-𝙀's furniture would fit in modern and contemporary living space, but also make it easier for our clients to promote the products. 𝙐-𝙀 has an experienced and highly accomplished sales and marketing team who consists of well-trained and highly qualified young professionals. Our sales team replies emails within 24 hours, quickly solves problems, and every week makes new item recommendations tailored for each client and their market needs. Every year, we take part in international furniture fairs like the IMM Cologne in Germany, CIFF and Shanghai Furniture Fair in China. Overall, over 1,000 new clients visit us and place around 300 containers of new orders for newly designed items. We warmly welcome you to visit us at fairs. 𝙐-𝙀 always aims to be the leading furniture designer and manufacturer in China. We strive to provide our clients with an exceptional buying experience from 𝙐-𝙀 by enjoying trendy and high-cost performance designs, strong artwork support, and solid quality assurance. We warmly welcome friends from all over the world to cooperate with us.